To adjust the programming of the daily schedule, you will first need to apply power to the pump. Once power has been applied to the pump, you will see that the LED around the button is solid. This indicates that the pump is operating normally. To adjust the schedule, press and hold the button until the LED around the button flashes rapidly. Let go of the button to enter programming mode. As you can see, the LED is quickly flashing one time. This indicates we are programming the speed for interval 1. Press the button quickly to cycle through the speeds. There are 6 speeds available as well as stop. Speed 1 is the maximum speed, and each button press will decrease the speed until you reach stop. See the chart on page 10 of the owner's manual for a list of the speeds for your pump. Remember, when choosing your speed for interval 1, the pump will operate for 4 hours. For this example, we are going to select speed 3. Once we've selected our speed for interval 1, press and hold the button until the LED flashes rapidly. Let go of the button to proceed to program interval number 2. Now the LED is quickly flashing 2 times. This indicates we are programming interval number 2. Again, cycle through the speeds by pressing the button quickly until you find your desired speed. Remember, interval 2 will operate for 8 hours. Once you have selected your speed, press and hold the button until the LED flashes rapidly. When you let go of the button, you will advance to program interval number 3. As you can see, the LED is quickly flashing 3 times, which indicates that we are now programming the speed for interval number 3. And when selecting your speed for interval number 3, you want to keep in mind that interval 3 is going to run for 12 hours. My recommendation is to select your lowest operating speed. Cycle through the speeds to find your desired speed. In this situation, we're going to select speed 6. Then we're going to hold down the button until the LED flashes rapidly. Once it flashes rapidly, we can let go of the button. Once we let go of the button, the LED light will go solid to indicate that the programming has been complete and we are back in normal operation.